a couple of decent opportunities. Now, what I wanted to show you here was the momentum move up. So this move, how you can pyramid the move, and also how the momentum changes, giving you an exit on the trade. So let's go and have a quick look at that. Right, here we go. So this is the first bit of the move up. I purposely left the ladder towards the bottom. What we're going to see is a break up through 47, and then you can see the way that the buying comes in, which allows you to then start entering the trades. Start getting your positions on. Now, the way you're doing this, if you're not aggressively buying it through 47, what you're trying to do is then get filled on a passive entry. So as it pushes up, it's dropping back, you then put your orders in to get filled on the drop back, looking for the next leg up. Where you're going to get out is when you see that the next leg up doesn't drop back and hold, the next leg up goes and then drops straight back. That's a difference. That's where you're seeing price action change. That's what's going to start getting you out of this trade. Right, so here we go, pushing back up towards 46. Takes its time, slightly slow one here, and this is what's making it tricky to buy this. So yeah, it always looks easy, just buy the breakout, but you're not seeing anything going on here that's saying to you, yeah, go and buy it now. Nothing really happening, pretty slow. Little bit of energy as it goes up, but still not too much. Then you get a little flick up. So it wasn't really conducive to actually buying the break, but what it has left is this patch of low volume. We've even got prices that have not traded at all. We then start building a little bit of volume higher up. That building of volume is basically showing you that yes, there's sellers, but buyers are still happy to keep buying this above the level. If you're in now, if you bought 49s, 50s area, your stop you're going to be putting back really below these highs, which come in at around about 42. So taking an 8-10 tick stop on this trade, but you are looking for 72s and even 94s on this. So minimum you're looking 20, 22 ticks. Maximum really you're looking up towards more like 40, 45 ticks. So it's seen volume built. This is a good sign, and there was no attempt to sell it off after that volume's been built. Right, we get the next move up, and again, same pattern. Leaves the price untraded, starts building up a little bit of volume. Can then look to try and buy this, and there you go. You get the bid in down at 55s. You're looking then for a fill, and then a continuation of the move. And this is what I mean about passive entry. We're still not building up lots and lots of energy here, but it is giving you an entry. And so you take the entry. Once again, volume starts to build above that little low volume area. That's a good sign for the continuation move. So it's in the same pattern twice, very, very similar. This is where you're now pyramiding on momentum. So we're going to look for the same again. If we get a quick move up, and then as it pulls back, it holds, you buy it again. There you go, there's a little bit of pace. We're now starting to see a bit of volume coming in. Now it's getting out, doing it a little bit quicker as well. So you're now going to have to step up the aggression on this. You'll be quite quick on going, right, I'm going to get in at 63. And then I'm going to hold on to this with a stop down here at 59 and wait for the next leg up, wait for the next push and see if it holds, comes back, and you see buying. You see size came in 10 lots, got hit, straight away turned to 20 lots. People definitely want to buy this now. Another skip up. Do we get the buying coming in again? Yes, it looks like it. You're getting left, a bit low volume. Now, if this is going to be a strong move, it's going to take that size out. There you go, straight out. Now it's getting quick. So momentum's picking up. This is one thing you should be looking at and thinking, okay, maybe there's a little bit of doubt in this trade now. We're not seeing any pullback this time. It was flick up, little quick trade, and now we're going highs again. So if you're following the same pattern, we'd be now looking to buy around 72, 73. We're clearly not getting a chance to get filled on this. Now we start to the high, another jump up. So same thing, we saw a jump up. Now you're waiting for buying to come in. Buying's not there. We're not seeing that same thing. What we saw last time, whenever you got this low volume, buying started above that. So you'd expect the buying to build up in this area, not to come in lower down. That is where the momentum's changing. That's where the momentum sort of ended. Let's see if I can move this forward for you. And that seeing of the momentum end is enough to get you thinking, right, well, I got in based on momentum, I can get out on it now. It's not continued the buying after the quick flush up, so therefore I'm going to wait, or I'm going to come out of this trade because it's not the same pattern anymore.